Hello everyone, Radovan is here. I want to show you if you grant or have access to Streamlit application, how can use it. Actually, there are two ways you can access Streamlit application. One is to get URL, like I have it here, and just press on that. Let's say someone share it with you, you open it, and if you have privileges, you can see the application. So through this URL, you will see the and now it's open. Other ways, if you go to Snow site and go in Snow site to the projects and then Streamlit, you will see the menu like this, and I will choose security check application testing. Also, in case you have all privileges and authorization to access it, just press and you will see actually the same layout like it's here. So once when you're in application, here's the main layout, how you can use it. Usually by default, inside the application, dashboard is open, and you can see the documentation, which is actually a README Markdown file format. On the left side, on the top left, you will see the pages inside the application because each and every application can contain more than one page. So here is the navigator. If I go to list of application and just press it, new page will be open for me. Or to go and see my save data, I also need to press and something will pop up. Also on the left side, you can choose the warehouse you are able to use from the list of available warehouse for you. Depends what kind of data or how large data set you want to query. When you press change, new warehouse will be activated. If you go to dashboard, you will see which one is the active one. Of course, if you need any kind of help, just expand this component and you will see how you can contact us. It can be through the Slack channel dedicatedly created for Streamlit application, or you can go to our project create issue or simply tag our team so we're able to help here. In case you're looking for any kind of contribution or detailed documentation, how you can use, create, or maintain Streamlit application, also links are here. Despite which application you're using, these are the common components and building blocks for each on there. So happy coding.